Today we reveal 8 powerful bedtime drinks to detox your kidneys and prevent dangerous renal failure. Your kidneys are silent warriors, working tirelessly to filter waste from your blood, but they need the right support to function. Chronic kidney disease often advances silently without symptoms until it is too late, leading to dialysis or the need for transplant. Understanding how to detoxify these vital organs while you sleep can be the difference between vibrant health and a life of treatment. Nature has provided us with potent ingredients that, when consumed before bed, can enhance your body's natural nightly detoxification and repair processes. Let us explore the first powerful drink that is simple to make but incredibly effective at preventing kidney stones and buildup. Number 1 is warm lemon water. This simple citrus drink is a powerhouse of citrate, a compound that supports kidney health. Citrate helps prevent calcium from binding with other minerals, effectively stopping the formation of painful kidney stones before they even start. By drinking this warm mixture, you increase urine citrate levels, creating an environment where stones are less likely to grow larger. Beyond stones, lemon water acts as a mild diuretic, encouraging your kidneys to flush out accumulated toxins and excess sodium efficiently. Although lemons are acidic, they have an alkalizing effect on your body, which helps balance pH levels and reduce kidney stress. However, be cautious with the acid on your teeth. Always use a straw or rinse your mouth with plain water afterwards. If you suffer from severe acid reflux or GERD, you might need to limit the amount of lemon juice you consume. Moving on to number 2, we have the ancient golden healer known as golden milk, famous for its potent anti-inflammatory properties. The active ingredient in turmeric is curcumin, a powerful compound that fights inflammation, which is a leading cause of kidney disease. Curcumin helps protect the delicate filtering units of your kidneys from damage caused by chronic inflammation and oxidative stress over time. Remember to always add a pinch of black pepper, as it increases the absorption of curcumin in your body by significantly. Drinking this warm beverage before bed not only aids your kidneys, but also promotes relaxation and prepares your body for sleep. Please note that high doses of turmeric can act as a blood thinner and may cause issues if you have gallbladder problems. Number 3 is dandelion root tea. Often dismissed as a weed, this plant is actually a powerful herbal medicine for renal health. Dandelion root acts as a natural diuretic, which means it helps your kidneys produce more urine to flush out waste products. Unlike pharmaceutical diuretics that deplete potassium, dandelion root is naturally rich in potassium, keeping your essential mineral levels perfectly balanced. It also stimulates bile production, which improves digestion and reduces the detox burden on your kidneys by supporting the liver's function. Regular consumption can help reduce water retention and swelling in the legs, a common symptom of struggling or sluggish kidney function. However, avoid this tea if you are allergic to ragweed, daisies, or marigolds, as it may trigger a similar allergic reaction. Also, consult your doctor if you are already taking prescription diuretics to avoid dehydration or an electrolyte imbalance in your body. Number 4 is a unique combination, chamomile tea with pear. This blend is specifically designed to lower urea levels in the blood. Pears contain antioxidants and are low in sodium, while chamomile is renowned for its ability to induce deep, restorative sleep. Studies suggest that regular consumption of this combination can help reduce serum urea levels, easing the filtration workload on your kidneys. Good sleep is crucial because your kidneys perform their most intense regeneration and repair work while your body is at total rest. By combining the sedative effects of chamomile with the kidney-friendly properties of pear, you tackle 2 health problems at once. Be aware that chamomile causes drowsiness. Do not drink this if you plan to drive or operate heavy machinery afterwards. Number 5 is ginger tea or ginger milk. Ginger is a potent anti-inflammatory agent that improves blood circulation to the kidneys. Proper blood flow is essential for kidneys to function correctly. Gingerols in ginger help relax blood vessels and reduce renal inflammation. Ginger also helps control high blood sugar levels, which is critical because diabetes is the leading cause of kidney failure worldwide. You can boil fresh ginger slices in water or add ginger powder to warm milk. Both methods deliver the beneficial compounds effectively. Its antioxidant properties also scavenge free radicals, protecting the kidney tissues from the oxidative stress that accumulates from daily environmental toxins. However, Ginger is spicy and can cause heartburn in some people. Start with a small amount to see how your body reacts. Avoid large amounts of ginger if you are on blood thinners or have a bleeding disorder, as it can increase bleeding risks. Number 6 is fresh cucumber juice. While often eaten as food, juicing cucumbers creates a powerful hydrating elixir for your kidneys. This juice is incredibly hydrating and highly alkaline, helping to neutralize the acid buildup in your body from a protein-rich diet. It provides a gentle diuretic effect, encouraging the elimination of uric acid, which can otherwise crystallize into kidney stones or cause gout. Cucumber juice is also rich in silica and electrolytes, supporting not just kidney function, but also the health of your skin and tissues. Because it is low in sugar and calories, it is a safe and healthy option to consume in the evening without spiking insulin. Do not drink too much right before bed, or the diuretic effect might cause you to wake up frequently to use the bathroom. Number 7 is hibiscus and clove tea. This tart, red tea is scientifically proven to help manage blood pressure effectively. High blood pressure is a major enemy of kidney health, damaging the small blood vessels in the kidneys and reducing their ability to filter. Hibiscus acts like a natural ACE inhibitor, helping to relax blood vessels and lower blood pressure without the harsh side effects of medication. Adding cloves enhances the antioxidant power and adds antimicrobial properties, helping to keep your urinary tract free from harmful bacterial infections. Regular consumption has been shown in clinical studies to be as effective as some standard medications for mild to moderate hypertension. Warning: hibiscus is not recommended for pregnant women, as it can stimulate blood flow in the uterus or for those with liver disease. Finally, number 8 is rose and lavender tea. This floral blend is the ultimate stress reliever for your mind and your kidneys. Stress releases cortisol, a hormone that can strain your kidneys and increase blood sugar. Managing stress is vital for organ health. Lavender is famous for its ability to calm the nervous system, while rose petals offer mild detoxifying properties and fight infection. The aroma alone triggers a relaxation response in your brain, helping to lower your heart rate and prepare your body for sleep. By ensuring a deep, uninterrupted sleep, you give your kidneys the uninterrupted time they need to repair damaged tissues and filter waste. Be careful not to consume essential oils internally. Only use food-grade dried flowers to brew your tea to ensure safety. These 8 drinks offer a variety of ways to support your kidney health, from detoxifying and flushing waste to reducing inflammation. Remember, natural remedies are powerful, so always consult your doctor before adding them to your routine, especially if you take medication. Taking care of your kidneys today ensures you wake up with energy and vitality tomorrow. Prevention is always better than cure. Let's recap quickly. Lemon water provides citrate to stop stones. It is your first line of defense against painful crystallization. Golden milk fights the inflammation that destroys kidney tissue. It soothes your system and prepares you for a restful night. Dandelion root tea flushes out toxins and excess water without depleting potassium. It is nature's most effective kidney cleanser. Chamomile and pear combine to lower urea and induce sleep. This duo works silently to lighten the load on your kidneys. Ginger tea improves circulation and manages blood sugar. It targets the root causes of kidney failure, diabetes, and poor blood flow. Cucumber juice hydrates and alkalizes your body. It neutralizes acid and keeps your filtration system running smoothly and efficiently. Hibiscus tea lowers high blood pressure naturally. It protects the delicate structures of your kidneys from the damage of hypertension. Rose and lavender tea reduces stress and cortisol. It creates the perfect internal environment for your kidneys to heal themselves. Choose the drink that suits your taste and health needs the best. You do not need to drink all of them. Consistency is key. Drinking one of these beverages occasionally is good, but making it a nightly habit transforms your health. Imagine your kidneys functioning at their peak, filtering blood effortlessly, keeping your energy high and your body free of toxins. Kidney health is not just about avoiding disease. It is about maintaining the vitality to enjoy your life to the fullest. A crucial tip: do not add refined sugar to these drinks. Sugar increases inflammation and defeats the purpose of the detox. If you need sweetness, use a small amount of raw honey or stevia, but learning to enjoy the natural flavors is best. Also, drink these about an hour before bed. You want the benefits without waking up 5 times a night to rebalance. Your kidneys need water to filter, but overwhelming them right before sleep can disrupt your rest. For those with prediabetes, the ginger or cinnamon options are likely your best choices for regulating blood sugar overnight. If your main issue is high stress and anxiety affecting your health, prioritize the floral teas like rose, lavender, or chamomile. If you have a history of kidney stones, the lemon water or cucumber juice should be your go-to nightly preventative rituals. These drinks work best when you also limit your intake of processed salt and red meat during your daily meals. Pair these bedtime rituals with a kidney-friendly diet rich in vegetables and low in sodium for the maximum protective effect. Regular checkups are also essential. These drinks are preventative and supportive, but they do not replace professional medical monitoring and care. Your goal is longevity. Protecting your kidneys now means you can enjoy your later years without being tied to a dialysis machine. Take a moment tonight to brew one of these teas. Treat it as a moment of self-care, not just a medical necessity. Relax your mind, sip slowly, and visualize the healing properties washing over your kidneys, repairing and rejuvenating them while you sleep. Nature has provided everything we need. It is up to us to use these tools wisely to maintain our health. While medication is sometimes necessary, preventing disease through natural diet and lifestyle is always the superior path to true wellness. As the moon rises and you drift off, let these powerful ingredients go to work, fighting the battles your body cannot. Your kidneys never sleep. Give them the fuel they need to win the fight against toxins every single night. Listen to your body. If a certain drink causes discomfort, stop immediately and try a different one from our list. You can also rotate these drinks. Have lemon water on Monday, ginger tea on Tuesday, and golden milk on Wednesday. Rotation ensures you get a wide range of antioxidants and prevents your body from developing a tolerance to any single herb. Share this habit with your family. Kidney health is important for everyone, from young adults to the elderly in your home. The signs of healthy kidneys are clear skin, good energy, balanced blood pressure, and a body free from excess fluid retention. Just as a clean river supports life in the forest, clean blood supports every single organ and cell in your body. Combine these drinks with light stretching or meditation to further lower cortisol and maximize the healing potential of your sleep. There is something inherently soothing about a warm drink. It signals to your brain that the day is done. Do not forget the small details, like black pepper and turmeric milk. These small additions unlock the full potential of the ingredients. And do not forget to protect your tooth enamel when drinking lemon water. Health is about balancing benefits and protecting against risks. And of course, plain water is always a good choice if you cannot access these ingredients. Never let yourself become dehydrated. Many people wait until they have a diagnosis to change their habits. Be proactive and start caring for your kidneys today. If you are finding this information valuable, please hit the like button. It helps us spread this life-saving message to others. Share this video with someone you care about. You might just help them prevent a serious health condition down the road. We would love to know, which of these 8 drinks are you most excited to try tonight? Let us know below. Or if you have another natural remedy that has worked for you, share it in the comments to help the community. To summarize, lemon, turmeric, dandelion, chamomile, ginger, cucumber, hibiscus, and rose. 8 powerful tools for your renal health arsenal. Healing takes time. Do not expect miracles overnight, but trust that consistent care will yield powerful results over weeks and months. Treat your body with respect, feed it well, hydrate it properly, and it will serve you well for a lifetime. We hope this guide helps you sleep better and live healthier. Your kidneys are precious. Treat them with the love they deserve. Tonight, choose your drink, turn off the lights, and rest easy knowing you are doing something amazing for your body. Thank you for watching, Video Creator. We are dedicated to bringing you the best natural health tips backed by science. Don't forget to subscribe for more health guides. Sleep well, drink wisely, and take care of your kidneys. Goodbye.